All right. Hello, everybody. I am very sure that everyone had a really beautiful time with the phenomenal singer Shruti Raghavendran. So, what happened? Like, we both were supposed to come. हम दोनों साथ में गाने वाले थे, लेकिन नहीं हो पाया due to some technical glitches. So I am really sorry for the inconvenience happened. So we planned really a beautiful evening for all of you together. So, you know, Asha ji and Lata ji, Sugalbandi, of course. But anyways, since I promised and we have promised and the channel promised, so we both came, but separately. I hope you all okay with it. And before I start, I have my heartfelt gratitude for some people here on the page. Of course, the page Aisha News Music. I'm thankful for them for having us here to showcase our talents globally. Definitely a very good platform for us. And I would like to take few names for this. First of all, Vidya ma'am. Miss Vidya Sagar ji from Bangalore. She is amazing. I mean, very supportive. I mean, she's a darling. Okay. And coming back to the head of Aisha News Music, Dr. Krishna, who is based out of US, Dallas. And thank you so much, sir, once again. Would like to take the name of Mr. Akhilesh. Okay. So, thank you so much, Mr. Akhilesh, for supporting me today since evening. I mean, a lot of problem and he did not lose his patience and he supported me. And finally, I'm live here. And would like to thank Miss Anu, who is the host of this page. And yeah, everybody, the entire team, for having me here today. And thank you, Shruti ji. So, I'll start my first song for all of you. I hope you enjoy it. So definitely about this song, I don't have to say much because whomsoever has, watched my life, पहले भी मुझे देख चुके हो आप लोग. Whenever I have come for life, I have definitely sang this song. This is a very close to heart song of mine. This is for you, all of you. I hope you like it. joining me again. Yeah, so thank you so much, everyone. I can see 24 people have joined me, and thank you so much, guys, for joining me back again. I hope I can really keep you entertained with a lot of lovely music. Just one heads up from all of you: if my voice is audible to you properly, that is more important. Yeah, if somebody can give me a thumbs up. All right, I'll have a look in the comments. Okay, thank you so much. A lot of people have joined: Mohanji, Vidya ma'am, Chandrika ji, Jayant ji. A lot of people: Mohanji, Dhiru, thank you so much for joining. Chetan ji, thank you. Akhilesh, once again, thank you. Ravi Naik ji, thank you so much. Preeti, thank you so much. Well, Sumit ji, thank you so much. I'm going back to my next song for you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so my next song would be a touch of ghazal, a little tricky. I would definitely like to make an attempt to sing that song. Let me know if you enjoy the song. So the song goes like this. Any guesses which song? Amazing song by Asha ji. रचेगी जब मेरे हाथों में मेहंदी, रचेगी जब मेरे हाथों में मेहंदी, उसी दिन की लगन है और मैं हूँ सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ में एक अगन है और मैं हूँ सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ. Okay, so this is one of the beautiful song sang by Asha ji, and I really think it's a tough one, and forgive me and excuse me if I made some mistakes in singing the song, but this is a very close to heart song and I thought of presenting for all of you. I hope you enjoy it. So okay, let me go through the comments once, please. Lot of people, okay. I'm really glad to see the comments. Everybody is enjoying my singing, and that's absolutely the pleasure of mine to keep you all entertained. Thank you so much, Ravi ji, Devdas, thank you for joining me, and Chetan ji, thank you so much, and a lot of people, Mohan ji, all of you, thanks a lot. Well, so just one small announcement, since we have kept this evening as Lata ji and Asha ji Jugalbandi. So the Asha part is now by me, which is happening, and the Lata part is sang by Miss Shruti ji before this live. So I will definitely take up your request. It would be great if you request me something Asha ji's song, and in case if you want me to sing someone like Lata ji or some other songs, I'll definitely take it up, but after the set of songs of Asha ji. Yeah, so stay tuned. I have beautiful numbers with me, and keep dropping your comments and the requests. I will definitely love to take that up. Thank you. Going back to my next song, a little fast number. Yeah, finally relaxed. Well, this is again a little fast number. I hope you all enjoy the song because it's a lovely song, of course. Hi, Arijit. Thank you for joining. बेचारा दिल क्या करे, अरे बेचारा दिल क्या करे, सावन चले भादो चले, सावन चले भादो चले, दो पल की राह नहीं, हाँ दो पल की राह नहीं, एक पल रुके एक पल चले, एक पल रुके एक पल चले. गाँव गाँव में घूमे रे जोगी रोगी चंगे करे, मेरे ही मन का ताप न जाने, हाथ ना धरे, रास्ते तू जहाँ भी चले मेरे लिए है तेरे ही राहें तू जो साथ ले बेचारा दिल क्या करे अरे बेचारा दिल क्या करे सावन चले भादो चले सावन चले भादो चले दो पल की राह नहीं हाँ दो पल की राह नहीं एक पल रुके एक पल चले एक पल रुके एक पल चले. Yes, so this is one of the amazing song, okay, from the movie Khushbu, and it was done at the year of 1975. So, okay, a lot of people have joined there, okay. All right, thank you so much everyone. Dil Cheez Kya Hai Aap Meri is coming up, maybe next to next, and okay, Tu Hai Wahi, that's a request, definitely, I would love to take it up. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, okay, ठीक है, I will definitely love to take the requests. So, would like to tell something about Asha ji, definitely, because she got married in early age, a lot of struggle. Initial of the beginning of the career, she was literally struggling to get the break in the famous Bollywood movies, the mainstream Bollywood movies. But yeah, he was doing some second grade of Bollywood movies, and she ended up singing some cabaret songs and the item numbers. So slowly she picked up her career, like late 60s. Then she sang a lot of beautiful numbers, and early of 1980s, when she started to pick up the ghazals, and she proved to be the best ghazal female singer who could really do the justice, and amazing beautifully she has sung a lot of ghazals, and she got the national award also. So definitely there are a lot of songs in my list. Let's go back to the next song. Okay, so again dance number. If any guesses which song, I'm leaving this I'm playing this music for you to choose, guess which song is this. Let me know. Which song, if anybody can tell me. Thank you, Baldi, for joining me. Thank you, Mr. Venu, joining me. A lot of people. Welcome, everyone. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, Naveen, for joining. Thank you, Chetan. Yes, you're right. The song is Raat Baki Baat Baki. Okay. But before I start the song, I want everybody to dance with me. Definitely, virtually I can't witness that you're singing, but do dance with me. Okay, this is for you. रात बाकी बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो. Please do dance. I just try to give you a Sunday evening party feeling. That's it. Enjoy. रात बाकी बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जा मुझे प्यार से सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जा मुझे प्यार से रात बाकी बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो Everybody dance with me. Okay. La 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 कश्ती जवा दिल की तूफान से टकरा गई मंजिल मंजिल मोहब्बत की अब तो करीब आ गई ओ कश्ती जवा दिल की तूफान से टकरा गई मंजिल मोहब्बत की अब तो करीब आ गई देख ले है क्या मजा दिल हार के रात बाकी बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जा मुझे प्यार से Well, I hope you all enjoyed and danced. I enjoyed, I danced, okay? But you guys need to tell me how much you liked it. Well, let me go to the comments. Okay. Thank you, Vida ma'am. Alright, my mom has joined, my dad has joined, so I'm happy. Welcome them. And, okay. So guys, let me know, how did you enjoy this? Did you dance? Did you dance with me? Yes or no? I want to see how many yes, how many no. I'm waiting. Alright. Who danced and who did not dance? I at least need to see some yes, come on. Okay, moving back to my next song. Okay, so I'm gonna sing the next song. It's called as a baggage song. What do I call it? A baggage song. Any idea what is a baggage song by Asha ji? And why it is called a baggage song? Any idea? Amazing. A lot of yes, yes. So the question is baggage song. Anybody knows what is the concept behind this baggage song? If no, I'll go back to the song directly and sing it for you. Okay. Oh yeah, Mera Kuch Saman, exactly. So the song, when it formed, right, almost in the late 80s probably. So that time this song was called by R.D. Burman ji itself a baggage song. The lyrics is Mera kuch saman tumhare paas pada hai. That's why it is called a baggage song. So my next song is for all of you is Mera kuch saman tumhare paas pada hai. Okay, Arijit, no problem. Alright, this is here, I played for you. Absolutely correct. Sorry.
मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है, ओ मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है, हो सावन के कुछ भीगे भीगे दिन रखे हैं, पड़ी है वो रात बुझा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो, वो रात बुझा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो, मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है, भीगे भीगे दिन रखे हैं, ओ मेरी एक खत में लिपटी रात पड़ी है, वो राख बुझा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो, पतझड़ है कुछ है ना, हो पतझड़ में कुछ पत्तों की गिरने की आहट, कानों में एक बार पहन के लौट आई थी, पतझड़ की वो शाख अभी तक कांप रही है, वो शाख गिरा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो, वो शाख गिरा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो,
I hope you're liking it. The song is a lot of people loves it and a very close to heart song for everyone almost out there.
अकेली छतरी में जब आधे आधे भीग रहे थे, एक अकेली छतरी में जब आधे आधे भीग रहे थे, आधे सूखे आधे गीले सुखा तो मैं ले आई थी। गीला मन शायद बिस्तर के पास पड़ा हो, वो भिजवा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो।
Amazing, amazing. This song is forever.
116 चांद की रातें, एक तुम्हारे कांधे काते। 116 चांद की रातें, एक तुम्हारे कांधे काते। गीली मेहंदी की खुशबू, झूठ मूठ के शिकवे कुछ, झूठ मूठ के वादे सब याद करा दो, सब भिजवा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। सब भिजवा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। एक इजाजत दे दो बस, जब इसको दफनाऊंगी, मैं भी वही सो जाऊंगी, मैं भी वही सो जाऊंगी।
Okay. Thank you everybody for joining me tonight. And I'm sorry I have sang this song complete because this is definitely worth singing the entire song, and it would be an insult, an injustice to the song to, finish it in half. So pardon me, but this is my favorite song and I dedicated this song for all of you. Well, I could see some dance numbers as well. I have a lot of dance numbers also in my list. So probably next is a little old song, but again थोड़ा सा मस्ती वाला झूमने वाला गाना. आप लोग थोड़ा झूमो बैठ के, take the feel of Sunday evening and the party mode, and the song is for you. This is what is the song. चुरा लिया है तुमने, I will definitely come. Okay, just a second. I'm sorry. Pardon me. Once again, please. Yeah. Sure. This is a dance number as well.
जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान। आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान। आइए मेहरबान। कैसे हो तुम नौजवान, कितने हंसी मेहमान। कैसे हो तुम नौजवान, कितने हंसी मेहमान। कैसे करूं मैं बयां, दिल की नहीं है जुबान। कैसे करूं मैं बयां, दिल की नहीं है जुबान। आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान। आइए मेहरबान।
Track and my voice is fine if somebody can just suggest me.
देखा मचल के जिधर, बिजली गिरा दी उधर। देखा मचल के जिधर, बिजली गिरा दी उधर। किसका जला आशियाँ, बिजली को ये क्या खबर। किसका जला आशियाँ, बिजली को ये क्या खबर। आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान। आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान। आइए मेहरबान।
Okay? I hope you enjoyed the song. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Let me go through the comments and reply back to all of you. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ravi ji, Vidya ma'am, Girish ji, Anindita ji, Venuta ji, Vinutha ji. Yes. Okay. A lot of people have joined in, whomsoever. Thank you so much for watching me. And yeah, Naveen, thank you once again. Mohan ji, thank you. Bhagya ji, thank you so much for joining in. Shruti ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me. It's a pleasure having you here. Mama, my mom, thank you so much. Shailendra ji, thank you for joining. Kedar ji, thank you for joining. A lot of people. Raj Lakshmi ji, Aparna ji. Okay. Ramesh ji. Thank you everybody. Okay. What's next? बीच में I got a request for चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को. So okay, maybe I will move to a ghazal. Pardon me if I make smallest of the smallest mistake, because this is the song which Asha ji considers as the song of the career. She was, she received the national award for this song particularly, and yes, this is the favorite song of her. So it's a very special number for the evening tonight, and the most important song as well from my end for all of you. Yes, this is the none other than the song Dil Cheez Kya Hai Aap Meri Jaan Lijiye. Yeah, so here it is for you. I hope you all are enjoying it. I hope everybody is liking it.
दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। बस एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए। बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। इस अंजुमन में आपको, इस अंजुमन में इस अंजुमन में आपको, इस अंजुमन में आपको आना है बार बार, आना है बार बार। दीवारों तर को गौर से, दीवारों तर को गौर से पहचान लीजिए। दीवारों तर को गौर से पहचान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं है, कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। बस एक बार, बस एक बार, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए। मान लीजिए, मान लीजिए।
Okay, so this was my first attempt to sing a ghazal by Asha ji. You know, in such big forum, you know, singing at your home, practicing, doing the riyaz, and singing in front of few people of your close ones. It's a different thing. But I really have, you know, gathered a lot of courage to sing the song today on this platform. I hope you liked it. If I have made any mistakes, I will definitely improve that in future. Do let me know if you have enjoyed. Okay, I'll just take 1 minute rest and check the comments for all of you. Okay, amazing, lot of comments. Once again, thank you so much everybody who has joined my show today at this time, because it's already 11:30. Oh my god, so I should sing my last song and close it off and let you all to go to sleep, right? So my last song probably next. I'm going to be singing, yeah, for you a very famous and popular dance number. This is for you all. Which song? That was not the song though. Which song? Once again, someone need to tell me which song. Any guesses? All right, I am going to play it and directly sing it for you. So I ensure ये बहुत ही अच्छा वाला and famous वाला dance number है, सबको dance करना है. This is the last song for the session and I want to make it really special for all of you and have the feel of a real Sunday disco evening. Yeah, this is for all of you and make sure that you're dancing. And I would like to see whomsoever is dancing, just a thumbs up. Yeah, so this is for you.
जब छाए मेरा जादू कोई बच न पाए. जब छाए मेरा जादू कोई बच न पाए. फूलों की नरमी हूँ मैं,
How many people are dancing? Come on, I can't see any stickers or nothing. Come on.
कभी मैं दर्द जगाती हूँ, कभी मैं जख्म मिलाती हूँ, कभी मैं दर्द जगाती हूँ, कभी मैं जख्म मिलाती हूँ, कभी मैं राज छुपाती हूँ, कभी खुद राज बन जाती हूँ। दिल टूटे हंसा छूटे फिर भी तू पीछे आए, हाँ। जब छाए मेरा जादू कोई बच न पाए, हाँ।
Who is dancing? Come on. I can't see anybody. Come on.
मुझसे तुम टकराना ना, आके यहाँ पछताना ना। मुझसे तुम टकराना ना, आके यहाँ पछताना ना। मेरा बदन पिघला सोना, जान भी जाए खबर हो ना। ये मस्ती नहीं सस्ती, दिल वाला ही बोले लगा, हाँ। जब छाए मेरा जादू कोई बच न पाए, हाँ।
Well. That was something I enjoyed. I don't know how I sang it, but I enjoyed. I danced it. Yeah. So I would definitely like to see the response. How many people have danced? I really would like to see. Please, if you have enjoyed it, I want to see the yes and no. Come on. A lot of people are online, 33 people. At least 30 response I should get. Yeah? Come on. Okay. There was one request. I think it's already 11:40. So yeah, maybe if some other day, maybe if I'm fortunate enough to come on this page and perform again, then I would definitely love to entertain you all again. Yeah. And would like to thanks again the page Aisha Music. I missed to take the name of Mr. Mohan for supporting us, for supporting a lot of artists. They are letting them to perform on the page, showcasing their talents globally. So it's a tremendous support for the artists who are looking for platform. Thank you so much, Vidya ma'am, and everyone, Dr. Krishna ji, Mr. Akhilesh, and everybody attached to the team, entire team. Thank you so much. I am signing out. This side Rajeshri Saha from Bangalore. You can follow me in my Facebook page. That is again Rajeshri Saha, RAJASREESAHA. I have a Facebook page. I am there in Insta also, and you can follow me on my YouTube as well. Do support and give your feedback. If you enjoy my performance, I would definitely love to come back and entertain you like this. Signing out. Thank you so much. Good night.